Thanks for joining us on this edition of Renovation Time, and all I can say is, wow, this is a big rental, main level rental, completely finished and looks incredible. Love everything about it. So one thing I mentioned too is we redid all the flooring, but this had cord around at the floor, so it had the baseboard and then the cord around, so we got rid of all of that. And I'm not a big fan of that cord around, so now we just have our baseboard touching the baseboard, or the hardwood, excuse me, and it looks great. It's the way it should be done. But I thought I'd walk you through and show you exactly what we did. So originally there was a wall that kind of came out here a little bit. So we just removed this small partition of the wall. I believe actually it was a knee wall, but it really didn't serve a purpose. So we took that out, opened this right up to allow us a little bit more room in the kitchen, which is great. Wanted a large island, and the customer had thought about this for a while, so they really did know what they wanted. But we ended up with a large island, so great for prepping, great for entertaining, tons of room in here, which is amazing. Large 36-inch cooktop, which is nice with the oven. We have another oven on this side, which is perfect. Cabinets go all the way to the ceiling with crown molding, which again, 36-inch uppers, crown molding, really nice feature. I do like the color in here as well, the shaker style door. It's a very small profile, so easy to clean. Fridge, freezer, which is nice, so it's hidden, so you don't have that big bulky fridge and freezer in here. And then into here, again, as I say, the most underrated room in the house. But into here, so cabinets in the kitchen match the cabinets in our laundry room here, which is nice. So again, we added a lot of storage. We did the same flooring in here, tile, as we did in the front foyer, which we didn't show you, but really it's just the flooring. So you can see everything blends perfectly, looks amazing, and I hope you like it.
Renovation Time is brought to you by Anden Kitchen and Bath Center. Visit their showroom at 1985 Lansdowne Street West, just west of Braley Drive.